Advice in this video is based on common sense and is not law. Always drive within your own capability. Hi, my name's Johnny Burr, and today we're taking a very quick look at driving on the single track roads on Scotland's NC500. Driving on Scotland's single track roads can be daunting, but it's easier than you think. Once you master it, new areas open up to you and even more exciting remote places to visit become just a drive away. There are two basic things to remember. 1. In most cases, each passing place is within the sight of the next. And 2. Always leave plenty of space between you and the vehicle in front. Ideally, the distance should be similar to the gap between the passing places. Give way if you arrive at a passing place before the oncoming vehicle. Always pull into the passing space on the near side or adjacent to the passing space on the off side. In this next clip, we can see the driver pulled into the passing place on his offside. This creates a blind spot and can be dangerous. It's recommended to use passing places to allow vehicles behind you to overtake. In general, a vehicle ahead of you will indicate to the left when they want you to overtake. When a vehicle ahead of you pulls into a passing place without indicating, this generally means that there's an oncoming vehicle. There are no hard and fast rules on the use of passing places, but following these guides will help you and other road users. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more motorhome travel tips and let me know in the comments what's your worry about driving single track roads with passing places. Thanks for watching. I've been Johnny Burr and I'll catch you in the next one.